What's up everyone, my name is Alex Costa and I get a lot of messages from people saying, my life is really boring. What do I do? Why is it so boring? Or Alex, how are you out all the time meeting new people? First of all, you shouldn't think like that. You're not boring. Everyone has different lives and they're very unique. The truth is, all you need to do is believe in yourself and have some fun. And there's a few things you can do starting today that will make you feel like the man you deserve to be. For example, start saying yes. If you actually pay attention to your behavior, you're gonna notice that you say no to a lot of things without even thinking about it. And there are a million excuses for us to say no to things, right? Maybe we're feeling tired, or maybe we feel like we're not cool enough to hang out with those people, or maybe we don't know those people and we might not get along with them. Who knows? The truth is, if you say no too many times, people are gonna stop inviting you out. They're just gonna think, this guy always says no. Why am I gonna waste my time trying to get him out? And I know staying at home and doing nothing can be really good sometimes. I really enjoy it, but we gotta venture out at some point. I say go for it, get out of your comfort zone. Go to those unexpected last-minute plans. Go ice skating if you haven't tried it yet. Sign up to a running club or try out that new restaurant that just opened up. You never know what new friends and opportunities might come your way just by saying yes to one of these little adventures. And I'll tell you what, we're gonna make this fun. I challenge you to say yes to everything you get invited to do in the next 10 days. Are you gonna say yes to this challenge? Or are you gonna say no? Next up, you need to always want to learn new things. I said this before on my channel, but if you go an entire day without learning one single thing, was that day truly productive? No one knows it all. There's always something to be learned every single day of the week. Even the most successful chefs, the most successful actors and celebrities, it doesn't matter. They're always learning. They're always trying to perfect their craft. But I do know that not everyone has time to go to a physical class, or it's really hard to find an amazing teacher that will teach you what you need to learn. And that's where today's sponsor comes in, Skillshare. Because Skillshare has thousands of classes from amazing teachers who are experts in what they teach. So you can be sure that you're always learning from the best. They have everything from business classes, writing, music production, and cooking. I'm actually learning about street photography right now so I can make my Instagram game even better for all of you guys who follow me. I've been doing this for a long time, but there is always room for improvement. And as you guys know, I'm always on the go, right? If you follow me on Instagram, I'm always traveling. So something like Skillshare is amazing because I can just take the classes anywhere at any time. Plus, it only costs $15 a month, which is less than buying books, and you have unlimited access to everything they offer. And guess what? Because you're part of the YouTube family, the first 500 people, 500 of you, are gonna get 2 months free of Skillshare. Just use the link in the description right below the video, go check them out, and pick your free classes for 2 months. Free classes and free knowledge, that is the way to go. All right, number 3 is find new hobbies. I know you've heard this before, get a hobby, find something to do, but listen, it is so useful, not only for you to go out and have some fun, but also if you're having a conversation with someone. Think about it, when you have no hobbies, what are you gonna talk about with that person? The weather? Probably not a good move. But if you like playing the guitar and that's your hobby, you can talk about that. If you skateboard, you can tell people about the places that you've been just to skateboard, or the new trick that you learned today, or the scars that you probably have on your body. Plus, with new hobbies, you make new friends, and it kind of forces you to go outside and try out new experiences and try new things, right? And that makes you a more interesting person. Number 4 is become a better storyteller. We all have that really annoying friend who makes everything sound cool, right? Even if he's telling a story about going to the stupid grocery store, he makes it sound cool somehow, and that is really annoying because I want to be that cool. It's like he went on a once-in-a-lifetime adventure to the grocery store. How do you do that? And sometimes something really cool might happen to us, right? We might be at the right place in the right time, but we just don't know how to tell that story properly to our friends. And if we don't know how to do that, nobody really pays attention to you. Trust me, being a Brazilian kid who was brought into this country and had no idea how to speak English, it was really, really rough, all right? So trust me, I know this better than anyone. But thankfully, it's something that you can actually just practice and get better at pretty quickly. You don't have to become the next Shakespeare or Dr. Seuss, but you know what? Being able to tell a story properly is an invaluable tool that is gonna serve you for the rest of your life. And lastly, guys, watch out for your body language. This is extremely important if you want to look like an interesting person. Think about it. James Bond is arguably the coolest and most interesting man in the world. And when actors play that role, their posture changes completely. They stop fidgeting, the way they move is smooth and cool and slow, so stop shaking your leg, biting your nails, or tapping your pencil on the table at school. Body language and posture tells a lot about a person. Maybe it's time to watch some Bond movies and see how he does it. Guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to check out Skillshare below to get your 2 months free of classes, The first 500 people who click on the link will get it. Of course, follow me on Instagram at Alex Costa and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.